right, darlings, we're going to do page 191 and 192 now from lesson 17. And the title of this is How to Write a Whole Number as a Fraction with a Denominator of 1. So, in our example, it says the spaces between whole numbers on this number line are not divided into smaller parts. So each whole has only one part. The number line shows that 3 over 1 is equal to 3. 3 ones is a fraction name for 3. So sometimes we have to write whole numbers as fractions. And when we do that, we're going to need to use 1 as our denominator because we're not breaking it into any parts. It just is itself. It is the whole. So the whole number for the fraction of 4 over 1 is just 4. The whole number for 2 over 1 is just 2. 5 over 1 is just 5. And 8 over 1 is just, 8. There we go. Write the fraction for each whole number. Okay, so, well, we can kind of look up here and see that we saw 2 over 1 was 2, so 2 equals 2 over 1. 5 would be 5 over 1. 1 would be 1 over 1. And 7 would be 7 over 1. Okay? Easy peasy. We're basically just putting a 1 on the bottom as the denominator. Moving down to page 192, write the whole number for each fraction. Well, this is 9. 10 over 1 is the same thing as 10. Write the fraction for each whole number. 12 would be, just like we did up above, 12 over 1. And 18 would be 18 over 1. Now, it wants us to explain how to write a whole number as a fraction with the denominator of 1. So, what did we have to do, guys? All we had to do, or let's look back at our sentence, how to write a whole number as a fraction with a denominator of 1. So I'm going to use that in my sentence. And I'm going to say to write, I'm going to spell it correctly. To write a whole number, so I'm getting this right from the question, as a fraction with a denominator of 1, comma, all you have to do is make the whole number your numerator and 1 the denominator. That's it. The end. All right, let's move on down to number 14. Bella says that this model shows 3 wholes. She says it shows that if you write the whole number 3 as a fraction, you have to write 3 equals 12 fourths. How can you explain to Bella that there are other ways to write 3 as a fraction? Well, I would say that Bella is right because she does have 3 wholes. They are broken into fourths. And so if I count all of my fourths, there are 12 fourths. So I really do like Bella's thinking. All right, so how would we explain this to Bella? Well, right now, she does have it in fourths, but this is saying that you have to write the whole number 3 as a fraction of 12 fourths. Well, you don't if you choose to split it in another way. So we could tell Bella that she is correct if each whole is partitioned into fourths. However, there are other ways to partition a whole. For example, if she partitioned each whole into 2 equal parts, that would be 6 halves, which would equal 3 wholes. Also, if you don't or do not partition the whole at all, our lesson today taught us you can write the fraction as 3/1, which equals 1 whole. There we go, Bella. There is your answer. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. I hope this makes sense to you. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. Google Classroom or Dojo. Bye.